Hello everyone. From today onwards, we are going to start a series of videos related to the Microsoft Excel, and I have purchased a book related to the advanced Excel features. So I'm decided to make a video so we all can learn it together, and by the passage of time we'll do different practices on the Excel sheets, and we'll have a very good command and advanced level of expertise on the software Microsoft Excel. So it's a chronological development in spreadsheets. If we know the history of the software and you'll start learning it, so it it will make you easy to learn on this subject. So as we all know that numbers are an important part of our day-to-day life. Almost everything that we do is in some way associated with the numbers, starting with our age, the marks we get in our school, the money we earn, how much we spend, how many things we possess, what is the areas of house we live in, and dates. This list can be quite endless. To get more out of these numbers, one often needs it. Arrange them in a manner that is most convenient to read, change, and understand. So the best way of doing this to arrange them in a form of table and tabular form. It's like, for example, you have a data A and 700. You have a data B 600. You have a data C 500, and you have data D 400. So this is the best way to show your data in a tabular and a table format. If you do not write these numbers one below the other, then adding and subtracting would become extremely difficult. The decimal and numbers would all mixed up and the answer would be incorrect. And this example proves to us that while numbers are important, so how to write them and represent them is also extremely important. So this is a tabular format. So writing numbers in a tabular format certainly helps in maintaining some order in the numbers. Hence it is this quality of tables that is liked so much by all the people who need to work with many numbers. This very aspect was used by software developers to provide software that could handle number efficiently. This software is known as a spreadsheet, and software engineers developed a software which is called a spreadsheet. As the name suggests, it has a sheet like manner of presentation which is spread across the computer screen. So let me see the time of the video. It's 4 minutes, so I have approx 5 minutes more. So advantages of electronic spreadsheets. This is a spreadsheet. You can see it's a spreadsheet. So So we'll discuss further about the Excel, everything about Excel, but I am giving you idea of the spreadsheet because it's the first lecture. So advantages of an electronic spreadsheet: large spreadsheet can be stored effortlessly on the computer. Means you can save a large huge data on a spreadsheet. Huge amount of data in a spreadsheet. Entering data is faster and easier. Data entry is processes easier. Making changes and simpler. So I'm not going to write it. You can typing it. You can listen me making changes in simpler. Extracting meaningful information as easily. If you need something less than 600, so you can easily extract them out from your tables. It's a 4-liner data. When you will have a 40,000 liner of data, so it will help you to get the required information in a very befitting and simplest and easy way. Calculations on the electronic spreadsheet are most error free. If the data entered is correct, then the results are definitely correct. If your data entry is correct, you have entered a correct data, so definitely you will get 100% accurate result of your data, because there is no chance of error when it comes to do calculations on spreadsheets. Electronic spreadsheets have the important facility of automatic recalculations. Spreadsheets give you facility to create graph or charts, so you can create graph and charts as well, and you can style your format your sheets accordingly. Spreadsheets provide a large variety of data analyzing, so you'll have a great variety of data analyzing tools on a spreadsheet. So I have 2 minutes. So if you see that in the start, the history of Microsoft Excel is named as a VisiCalc, Vision Calculator type VisiCalc, Dan Brinkley and Bob Franken. It's VisiCalc, the world's first electronic spreadsheet, is called VisiCalc in 1970s. It was developed in 1970. Then in 1982, the Lotus 123, and then 1982 onwards, Microsoft Microsoft emerged. Then you will have you'll see the different versions uh, have come by the passage of time. Excel 2, Excel 3. It is in 1987. Excel 3, Excel 4, Excel 5, Excel 95, Excel 97, 2000, Excel 2002, 2003, 2007, 2010, and onwards. Now we have a Microsoft 365 as well, Excel 2021 as well.